Gathering to all, this is Veerangan. I am studying Weldtech Dr. SR and Dr. RR Technical University in Avadi. My project, Secure and Reliable Routing Protocol for Heterogeneous Multi-Wireless Network. And thanks to my project guide, Saranraj, Assistant Professor in the CSC Department, and Mr. Rajkumar, Assistant Professor in CSC Department. My objective in this paper, we propose is a secure protocol for establishing stable and reliable routing in heterogeneous multi-hop wireless network. ESTA integrated, tested and payment system with a test-based and energy-aware routing protocol. The payment system uses credits to charge a node and send package to reward host laying package. Since the trusted party may not be invoked the communication section, an offline trusted party required to manage the node credit account. The node composes proof of laying package called receipt and submit them to the TP. The payment system can simulate the selfish node to relay other packet to earn credits. It can also force fairness by the rewarding the node that relay more packets such as those at the network center. However, the payment system is not sufficient to ensure root stability. It can simulate the relation node do not break root to earn credits, but the root can be broken due to the other reasons. Example for the reason including low resources, node failure, and molecular attacks. Trusted systems have been used in a wide range of applications, including public key authentication, electronic commercial, supporting decision making, and etc. In in heterogeneous multi-hop wireless network, the trusted management is essential to access the node competence and reliability in the relaying packet. A node trusted value in a define has the degree of belief about the node behavior, that is, the probability that the node will be behavior expected. The trusted value are collected from the node past behavior and used to perfect the future behavior. For example, there is a strong belief that the node will be broke the root if they broke the large percentage of the root in the past. Most of the existing tester system in multiple wireless network compute the single tester value for each node. However, the single measurement may not be especially able to adequate adaptance node on the computers. We propose the tester system that maintained multidimensional tested value for each node. Evaluate the node behavior from the different proposal. Multidimensional tester value can be better perfect the node future behavior and thus help make smarter routing decision. In our tester system, the node that frequently drop the package, break routes, or not actively relaying package have low trusted value. Moreover, for efficient implementation of the trusted system, the trusted party compute the trusted value by processing the payment received. A node trusted value are attached to the public key certification to be used in making routing decision. We developed two trusted based energy aware routing protocol called shortest reliable routing and best available routing. Our goal is establishing stable routes to reduce the probability of breaking them due to the following reasons: lack of energy. An intermediate node may not be sufficient energy to relay the source node package and keep the route connected, and node behavior. The node may break root due to the molecular malfunction, low hardware resources, etc. The shortest reliable route protocol establishing the shortest route that can be satisfy the source node requirement including energy tested and route length. For best available route protocol, the destination node may learn multiple route and establishing the most reliable one. Our analytical research demonstrated the E-star can secure and payment system calculation without false accusation. The simulation result demonstrated that our routing protocol can improve the packet delivery ratio due to the establishing stable route. The main benefits of the integrating the payment system and the tester system with the routing protocol can summarize as follows. First, the forest trust among the node by making the knowledge about the node past behavior available. Laying package by unknown nodes. entirely contain element of risk. So source node need to trust the node that relying in package. Second, the integration can be deliver message through reliable route and allow the source node to recover level of the tester. Third one, it can be punish the node that break the route by giving more performance to highly trusted node in a route selection, and this is the earn credits. Fourth only, the integration of payment and the tester system with the routing protocol can punish the node report incorrect energy capability. This is become the route will be broken at, at this node and that trusted value will be degraded. Finally, a node may use greatly strategically, never earn much of unneeded credit and stop relying other packet after earning sufficient credit. The integration of the payment system and the tester system not only simulated the node to cooperate the relaying packet to earn credit, but also simultaneously the node widely needed cooperated main good trusted value. This is become a node loss trust over time of they not cooperated. By this way, in addition way, payment trust is another incentive of cooperation. Problem statement in heterogeneous multiple wireless network, the route is broken when an intermediate node moves out of the radio range of it is reciprocal in the route. In addition, some nodes may break route because they do not have sufficient energy to relay the source node package and keep the route connected. In order to establish stable route and maintain continuous traffic flow, it is essential to access the node competence and reliability in the relaying packet to make the informed routing decision. An existing system of my project, the payment scheme uses a communication protocol that can transfer message from source node to destination node with limited usage of public key cryptography operation. An reputation based scheme attempt to identifying the molecular nodes that drop the package with the rate more than predefined threshold in the order to avoid them in routing. Next one, payment and schemes used credit to enhance to node relaying other package. Since laying package consuming energy and other resources, packet relaying is trusted a service which can be charged. The node earn credits for relaying other package and spend them to get the package delivery. In ESIP, the payment scheme uses a communication protocol that can transfer message from source node to destination node with limited usage of public key encryption operation. On my proposed system of my paper, this paper proposes E-star, a secure protocol for establishing stable and reliable routing in heterogeneous multi-hop wireless network. And E-star can integrate a trusted and a payment system with a trust-based and energy-aware routing protocol with the goal of enhanced route reliability and stability. The trust-based and energy-aware routing protocol to establishing stable routes. And abstract on my project, E-star for establishing stable and reliable routing in a heterogeneous multi-hop wireless network. E-star combines payment and a tester system with a trust-based and energy-aware routing protocol. We developed two routing protocol to direct traffic flow through these high trusted nodes having sufficient energy to minimize the probability of breaking the routes. And future enablement of my project. In this future work to develop a tester system based on processing the payment report to maintain a trusted value for each node. The node that relaying message more successful will have higher trusted value such as low mobility and large hardware resource node. Based on this trusted value, to propose a trust-based routing protocol to route messages through the highly trusted nodes that can be which is perform packet relay more successfully in the paths to minimize the probability of dropping the message. and thus improving the network performance in terms of throughput and packet delivery ratio. This is my system architecture. There are three types of the modules we are using: payment receipt, tested party, certification with updated tester value, and the last one, root establishment. And this is hardware requirement on my project. We're using Pentium 4 process type and speed up to 2.4 GHz, RAM minimum 256 MB, hard disk minimum level 20 GB, and keyboard 101 bar 102 standard keyboard using square mouse. Almost sufficient or very available software we using this project. We use operating system Windows 7 or Windows XP, programming package using NetBeans IDE 7.3.1 or higher version, coding language using JDK 1.7 or higher version. E-star extremely stable and reliable routing is the main process on my project. We have proposed E-star that use payment trust system with trust-based and energy-aware routing protocol to establishing stable and reliable routing in a heterogeneous multi-wireless network. And second point, E-star simulated the node, not only the relaying other package but also maintain the root stability. And third one, it is also punish a node that report incorrect energy capability by decreasing the change to solve by the routing protocol. They are using three modules. First module, data transmission phase. Second one, update credit account and trusted value. Third one, root establishment. Module 1, output pages. Module 2, explanation, and module 2, output pages. Module 3, explanation, and module 3, output screenshots. Conclusion: we have proposed E-star that use payment trust system with the trust-based and energy-aware routing protocol to establish stable and reliable routing heterogeneous multi-wireless network. We have proposed SRR and BR routing protocol and evaluate them in terms of overhead and root stability. It is useful in establishing a route that avoid the low trust node, example molecules node with low overhead. And another thing, the analytical research have demonstrated the E-star can secure the payment and assisted calculation without false acceleration. E-star can improve the packet delivery ratio due to the established stable route. And this is a reference paper using in my project. First, Muhammad and Exchange secure incentive protocol with limited use of the public key cryptography for multi-wireless network. This paper is translated in IEEE Mobile Computing Volume 10, Number 7 in year July 2011. And thank you to my present my project in the level of MTech PG Scholar. Thank you.